So here I'm on a morning walk. I'm gonna show you lots of stray and homeless dogs that need a home. So this is first. Hi boy. Two. And the other one. This one and this one. Let me show. Drill. Come on boy. This one dog. This is boy. He's suffering for scabies and I'm gonna treat her. This is very shy and feared when got treated. You can see it. Oh my god. And you can see these are dogs. The other one is there. This one. Okay. Hey, boy, come. I just suggest you guys not to buy an expensive breed, but to adopt these kind of homeless dogs, because they need a home. They need home. Please pay pity on them, because they need home and they need family. I personally adopted a female dog named Minnie, and now I have two, the Diego and Minnie. It was three, the smart he has adopted, and I suggest to adopt these dogs and not to buy such kind of expensive breeds. They are very loyal and lovely. Hi girl, you can see this. This is very sweet girl, and I usually don't name her name, but this is lovely. Hi boy. I think this is also a girl. They follow me during morning walk, and you can see this. This is a good two breeds, and it's like Malinois and Canon. Come on, girl. This one. You can see. This is purely, it's like they go. Oh my god. This one and this one. Drill. Drill. This is girl. Hi girl. I know her. This is very loyal, very playful. Oh my god. He's just touching the camera. If you wanna adopt it, girl, you come, please. I suggest to adopt these kind of breeds, these Pakistani and Indian breeds, not to adopt. They are well trained and beautiful. These breeds really needs home. You can see he plays. Oh my god, he's going through my leg. This is lovely. So I'm getting off. Please adopt these kind of homeless stray dogs, because they need home and need food.